Hi everybody, this is Amy from Crafty Aims Workshop, and today is going to be a little bit different type of video. It's not going to be on a craft and anything crafty, but it's something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. And so if you're wanting a craft, you may just want to flip to the next video, but this is going to be about me doing the ancestry DNA genetic testing, and I have been very interested in doing this. There's some question marks in my ancestry that I would like to figure out, so here it goes. I haven't opened the box yet. So I'm going to find out what's inside. I'm not sponsored by Ancestry.com or anything like that. I just simply saw a really good bargain on it on Facebook, actually, for like 50 bucks. That's normally, when I've seen it, it's normally like $100. So I went ahead and said I'm going to do it. So it comes with a little kit telling you how to do it. And so let me read this and I'll come right back. Okay, so what you get is one of these cards that tells you what to do. You have to log into their website, activate your account, and then go from there. But what you get in the kit, it looks like, is the saliva catcher. And put your saliva in there so they can test it. And then you get your package to mail it back to them. And it takes, I'm thinking, I've heard it takes about 6 weeks. It takes 6 to 8 weeks from the time we receive your sample, is what it says here. So I will come back in 6 to 8 weeks and let you know my results. It'll be interesting to find out. But let me go ahead and gather everything, and I will show you the process here in just a moment. One thing to remember, they've got on here to not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. I just ate some nuts, so I'm gonna have to wait 30 minutes before I can do this. But I'm gonna get everything else ready. This shouldn't take too long, and then as soon as 30 minutes is up, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing. Oh yeah, and they did give me a little pouch to put my saliva sample in. All right, hold on. Okay guys, it is time to put saliva into this little tube. So it says fill the tube until your saliva, not including bubbles, is at or just above the wavy line. It's easy, that's less than a fourth teaspoon. Do not overfill. So I don't know. Right there's where I need to go. Oh no, that looks like a lot of spit to me. So I'm not gonna do this in front of you all, but let me come back. Okay, well that took a little bit for me because my mouth is extremely dry right now, so I had to really get the spit out of my face. Okay, so not including the bubbles, I am good. So now it's saying you place the funnel with the cap. Where's the cap? Okay. Okay, taking the funnel off. Putting the cap on. Screw on the enclosed cap tightly to release the solution. I hope I did that right. I didn't notice anything. So, okay. That will stabilize the DNA and your saliva. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. You will know it works when the blue solution from the cap has emptied into the tube, which looks like it has. All right, shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Okay, this will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly with stabilizing solution so our lab can best process your sample. Place the tube in the collection bag that is provided and seal the bag with adhesive strip. All right. Putting my sample inside the bag. Sealing the bag. And now I get to mail it. Ooh, I can't wait. So in 6 to 8 weeks, I will be back and I will be telling you what my results were, which I'm really excited about. Let me tell you what I've been told my background is. German. One side pretty much 100% German. And then the other side is Cherokee Indian. And unsure of the other. There's other stuff, but not real sure what that is. So that's what I want to find out. So I'm so excited. Woo-hoo. So this is gonna go to ancestry.com, 6 to 8 weeks, and we will find out what my background is, and I'm so excited. So if you guys have done this before, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please like, and also if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Normally I would have crafting stuff on it, but today I wanted to do this, and so I may even do some crafts around this particular type of thing. So please click the notification bell, subscribe, like my video, and come back as much as you can. All right, I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye-bye.